Chandler from SES Preschool. Today, I'm here to talk about myself and my school. Yes, it is my school. I proudly say it, but now no more. I feel sad to leave my school, but I have to step forward for my future studies. I stepped into the school in June 2019 and I cried as all the kids do. When I began to like my school, I enjoyed my studies. My school has colorful classrooms and indoor and outdoor play areas. I wish to thank my Miss Ravina, who was always kind and loving. I also thank all the beautiful teachers and I will miss my school forever. Thank you.
Thank you, kids. We now have the convocation song by our little graduates. I request our chief guest and guests to join our graduates for a photo session. Thank you, everyone. With this, we come to an end of our formal function. In a short while, we'll begin our cultural program. I request you all to sit back and enjoy yourself and at the same time encourage the little ones performing on the stage. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for being such a lovely audience. Informal function will begin in few minutes. I now hand over the mic to Ms. Ashnita and Ms. Renuka.
Thank you, Miss Manjula. A very good morning
Namaste.
and a warm welcome to one and all present over here.
You can expect an extravagant and fun-filled day ahead.
The children performances will definitely leave you mesmerized.
You need to know that every child has worked hard to present before you a spectacular show.
So, please keep the thunder of claps going for each and every act. So, are you all ready for the show? No, I can't hear. Are you all ready for the show? Yes. Dance performances bring huge excitement in the audience, and it's an art form that is almost everyone's favorite, isn't it? So let's be seated to watch our kids perform. Here we have the Little Flowers of Nursery Padil branch presenting a welcome dance. Please give them a big round of applause.
Look, Fran. Stand. Look, Fran. Look, Fran. Go, Fran, Baba, little. Yes, ready.
We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. We gather here to tell you on this very special day we're all so very happy to wish and to you say. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. So join in the celebration, it's time to pay our due. That was carefully prepared and brought out just for you. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may. Welcome one and all of you to celebrate this wonderful day. We hope to entertain you, make you happy, come what may.
What a beautiful performance, wasn't it? Dance is the joy of movement. Now our little baby sharks of playgroup and nursery of both the schools are all set to perform for you. You are requested to follow the steps and dance along. Parents, you are requested to follow the steps and dance along.
Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy shark, do 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 do. Daddy Daddy shark, do 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 do, Daddy shark.
Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark do 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 do. Grandma shark.
Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark, do 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 do. Grandpa shark. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt, do 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 do. Let's go hunt.
Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away do 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 do. Run away. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last do 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 do. Safe at last. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end do 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 do. It's the end.
What a splendid performance by our little baby sharks. Once again, give them a big hand. Dance is a language beyond words, expressing that for which we have no words. Here are our little tiny birds of LKG Padil branch with an astonishing performance by the song Better When I'm Dancing. Please give them a big round of applause.
Don't think about it, just move your body. Listen to the music, sing oh eh, oh. Just move those left feet, go ahead, get crazy. Anyone can do it, sing oh eh, oh. Show the world you got that fire. Feel the rhythm getting louder. Show the world what you can do, prove to them you got the moves. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing, yeah, yeah. Better when I'm dancing, yeah, yeah. We can do this together.
What an amazing performance. Hope you all enjoyed it. Now let us all join the nursery students of Bikarnakatta in the kite dance, Woody Woody Jai.
जुड़ी जुड़ी जाए उड़ी उड़ी जाए उड़ी उड़ी जाए दिल की पतंग देखो उड़ी उड़ी जाए
दो दिल उड़े ऊंचे आसमानों में जुड़े
That was wonderful. Thank you, students. Let's tap our feet to the tukur tukur of the students of LKG Batch 1 Bikarnakatta. Parents, please kindly be seated. All want to watch their young ones to perform, isn't it? Please be seated. Parents, I request you to please be seated. Let us tap our feet. Come.
जश्नबाजी की शाम है, जश्नबाजी की शाम है, टिरकिट ताल पे ठुमके लगाए जालिमा।
तेरी शैतानियों से महफिल रंगीन हुई, तू दीवाना हुआ मैं भी शौकीन हुई। दुनिया जलती है तो जले, दुनिया जलती है तो जले, रात भर जालिमा के संग नचे जालिमा।
Thank you, students, for that lively performance. Coming up, Next are the students of LKG Batch 2 Bikarnakatta with the mishmash of dance numbers.
Before we start, it's our humble request that parents please be seated. We have our professional photographers and videographers who are trying to capture each and every moment of your child. So please be seated, parents.
Oh God, one more remix.
दिल धड़काए और सीटी बजाए, दिल धड़काए सीटी बजाए, बीच सड़क पे नखरे दिखाए सारे हो करके इशारे, हो लड़की हो लड़की ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे ओ लड़की आंख मारे।
Ande, ande,
तुझे मेरा वाला डांस, ये है मेरा वाला नाचू, ये है मेरा वाला डांस नाचू, ये है मेरा वाला डांस।
That was really energetic. Thank you, students.
A vehicle number KA19, what is that, 31? 3451 is blocking the way there. If it belongs to any of your parents, we request you to please move it from there.
Nature is beautiful because it is alive, moving, and reproductive. In nature, we observe growth and development in living things. Now hold your breath for a wonderful skit by our tiny tots of UKG Padil enacting before us seed germination.
Ready? The story of a seed. A little brown seed lived near a pond all alone. She enjoyed living all by herself and did not want to make friends. The sun saw that the seed was all by herself. He decided to come down and make friends with her. He went up to the seed and said, "Hello, little seed. Please let me in. I want to make friends with you. I'll give you my light and make you feel warm." The seed replied, "I do not want your light. Just leave me alone." The sun went away sad. Next day, the rain decided to go and meet the seed. "Hello, my pretty little seed. You must be thirsty. Here, have some water." The seed replied, "Just go away. I don't need any water." Then came the air. It began blowing hard and tried to swish open the door to the seed's house, but it didn't succeed. He then said to the seed, "Please open the door. I'll blow on you and make you feel light." But the seed replied, "I'm just fine by myself. I don't need your air. Leave me alone." After a while, the seed began to feel lonely and sad. She realized that she needs to make the sun, the rain, and the air her friends. She then opened the door and called all of them and asked them if they were willing to become her friends. She told them that she was sorry for behaving rudely and promised never to hurt them again. They were only too happy to be friends with her and help her grow. The sun shone his light upon the seed, and she felt warm. The rain poured cold water on her, and she drank up all the water since she was thirsty. The air blew cool breeze on her, and she felt good. The seed now began to grow. She sprouted and grew into a baby plant. Soon, she grew into a healthy plant bearing beautiful flowers. She now understood the importance of having the sun, the rain, and the air as a friends.
Look very closely at everything around you. Up in the sky, down in the sea and land. Look very closely at everything around you. All of this is nature. It's the aurora lighting up the sky. It's a penguin playing on the ice. It is an ostrich burying its head on the ground. All of this is nature. Look very closely at everything around you. Up in the sky, down in the sea and land. Look very closely at everything around you. All of this is nature. It's a bee visiting the flowers. It's the rainbow with all of its colors. They're the beautiful and pink cherry trees. All of this is nature.
There is a seed inside of every tree and a tree inside of every seed. Wow, what a lovely performance that was. Please give them a big hand.
Now we have the students of UKG Bikarnakatta performing a beautiful dance. Let us all chum chum to pitter patter of the rain with the students. Chum chum chum.
पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच भी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी
आज तू है पानी 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 और तुम भी सानी 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 आ जाओ on the beach यार फोटो मेरी खींच भी किस्मत होगी तेरी कर तूने ये बात न मानी
Thank you, students. That was wonderful.
Lakshya. Rush to the green room to pick your ward unless the announcement is made.
Meanwhile, enjoy. I request all the UKG students and the teachers to assemble on stage. We will all rise for the national anthem.
children from using gadgets and mobiles. Let's make holiday time fun time. Children learn new things and can have fun too. Kindly give the names to the respective class teachers. Thank you.
Puttichira branch, girls' parents, please proceed towards the green room to change their dress.